Hey guys, so I'm very excited about this review. As you all know, I love good speakers, and today we are trying out a Marshall. This is a pretty good looking speaker. What I like about Marshall is that the knobs and everything are quite classical looking, but at the same time I find the speakers extremely heavy, and they promise to have some kind of substance. And what we're going to do is today we're going to see, this is the Marshall Kilburn. It has various options up front, and this is actually how you switch it off, and this is actually how you switch it on. So let me find my phone and
lying on the frozen lake, snowflake caught in her lashes. She was ready to let go. Lying on the frozen lake, snowflake caught in her lashes. She was ready to let go.
Let's rewind a minute and see what the other guy would do. I'm shocked at this test, by the way. It's so neck and neck and different. Okay, let's play now. Okay guys, in case you're wondering where I'm going with these two, man, I gotta be honest, this is a fantastic song. So let's give it up to whoever made this song. It's called Psytrance. There you have it now. Okay, so all due respect to you, whoever made it, brother man. Now let's talk about which speaker. This has a phenomenal sound. It sounds like you're sitting in some kind of DJ booth. It sounds like you are in a very high-end, expensive club. This, on the other hand, it tries really hard, but it doesn't have the hardware potent of, what am I saying, of this guy. I mean, this is brilliant, not brilliant, but it sounded absolutely liquid, crystal, boom, 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 boom. But this doesn't even boom and it makes a boom, if that makes any sense. One more song I want to play. It has some good vocals. I've heard enough. There's a lot of thump with the Bose. Now let's check out the Kilburn in action. That's a tough one. This is definitely louder. But it's very vertical. Definitely louder, very vertical. This is quieter, but it seems to have so many elements playing, and it gives such a perfect boom that it seems louder, if that makes any sense to you guys. You can hear different instruments in this. You can't hear different instruments in this. I'm amazed that the year has come where Bose makes hollow sounding products. I would also like to compare my Bose Revolve Plus with this guy, because they both don't try to be loud, they just try to be clear. The EQ presets are perfectly matching for this. One demerit of this is that I'm noticing that it's making some sound even when I'm not playing music. You can't catch it on the camera, but definitely it makes some sound. Like it has some, maybe because I'm at 100% volume, so what am I expecting? But yeah, it's not a demerit, I guess. But the sound is unique. You can hear distinctly various elements of the song. Like you can hear bling, more bling. You can hear that some sound is being processed on the front of the speaker, some on the back. The surface, supposing, this is a very important thing which I just realized about speakers, which I never really thought about in my life. This speaker has so much of shake and boom that you won't be able to sit on a desk with this playing at 100% volume and listen to the music. Whereas this has a more pleasant, melodious, overall richer sound. And the sound stage is impressive. Overall, I think this is a much better speaker, but I won't use the words it outclasses the Bose, because Bose in its own right, as you saw, won that one round. Maybe I'll do one more round of something a little offbeat perhaps. So guys, I just played Coming Back to Life by Pink Floyd on both these speakers, and this was okay, and this was majestic. For that alone, I think Marshall Kilburn is the winner. I think in most departments, all kinds of music that you play, you will find that this is a better speaker. Also, one more thing I would like to add, I did play Richard Marx's Hazard, and this was somehow better on that. And I also played Enter Sandman by Metallica, and this really, really came to life. So if you're looking for a speaker between these two, I strongly recommend Kilburn. Please bear in mind, I've used this for about a month or 2 or 3, whereas this I have just used for 4 hours. But I'm amazed by how good it is. Apparently it has 20 hours of battery life. Anyways, this is not my speaker, so I will be returning it to the sender. What do you guys think about this test? Please leave a like or don't. Bye now.